Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to do division. We'll start by understanding what division means and the key terms involved. Think of division as sharing a total amount equally among a certain number of groups. Knowing your multiplication tables will make division much easier, so keep practicing those. We'll cover some basic examples to get you comfortable with the concept before moving on to more complex problems. Next, let's tackle the short division method, which is perfect for dividing by a single-digit number. You'll work from left to right, dividing each digit of the dividend by the divisor. If a digit doesn't divide evenly, you'll carry over the remainder to the next digit. This method is efficient and helps you break down larger problems into smaller, manageable steps. We'll walk through an example together to illustrate this process clearly. Now, let's move on to long division, which is essential for dividing by two-digit numbers or larger. This method involves a series of steps: divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Repeating these steps systematically helps you solve complex division problems. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but with practice, you'll find it's a very powerful tool for accurate calculations. We'll go through a detailed example to ensure you grasp each stage. Finally, let's discuss remainders. Not all division problems result in a whole number. Sometimes there's an amount left over. You can express these remainders as a whole number, a fraction, or even a decimal, depending on the context of the problem. Understanding remainders is crucial for real-world applications of division. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keep practicing these division techniques, and you'll become a division expert in no time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.